You must have heard of anemia. You must have heard of loss of blood, right? But what is the real picture here? The thing is that when you take a bus to go somewhere, what happens? You take a bus and you go inside it and you take a seat and you sit there in even you use the seat belt. So the same thing happens in terms of hemoglobin, right? Blood. So the blood is the bus, and inside the bus you have a seat, and you sit on that, right? And that's the hemoglobin. And you may also use seat belt, that is iron, right? And the road that the bus goes by is the blood. Blood is nothing. Blood is water. Blood is plasma. Inside the blood, you have a lot of elements, vitamins and minerals, and you also have hemoglobin, and there you have, with iron, the oxygen is attached. So when you go to a distant place, you take a bus, the bus runs on the way, plies on the road. So the road is the vein, and bus is the blood, and the seat is hemoglobin, and the seat belt is iron. So you understand, you need oxygen in every part of your body. You need vitamins and minerals in every part of your body. So that's why the road is necessary, that is, vein is necessary, the bus is necessary, and inside the bus you need a seat to sit on, and you need to even fasten your seat belt. So the bus is the uh, hemoglobin, and you go inside the bus and you take a seat, right? And there is seat and fasten your seat belt, and this is how you go to the place where you want to go. Similarly, the body needs oxygen, the body needs vitamins and minerals. This is how the body works. Thank you.